Nowadays, wood plastic composite has become increasingly popular. It was found to be better than traditional wood or stainless steel. Wood plastic composite is a hybrid material, which combines the qualities of traditional wood and durability of composite material. The compositions of Oakio Proshield is 35% of plastic resin, 55% of oak wood fiber, and 10% of additive. When you have a villa or house, take consideration that building a railing in your yard in WPC materials. With Oakio full set of accessories, it is not only easy to install the railing, but also low maintenance. Proshield composite railing is wrapped around each individual section of the composite, which creates a long-lasting, natural-looking, weather-resistant finish. Oakio WPC railing can keep for 25 years.